Hello and welcome to the second live of Hiranya. It's such an incredible moment to be doing this. We've been working very long for you to see this collection that we have for you. Now what you're going to be seeing in this collection is the real Zari Bani dupattas. We have a real Zari Munga silk suit set which is going to be coming at the very end. You're going to be seeing a stunning collection of two-tone fabrics, all the new ones, along with their matching dupattas. You're going to see some statement masterpieces in dupatta. In fact, that's what I'm going to start out with. I have a beautiful black, I have a beautiful cream, two statement dupattas. That's what we're going to start out with. And then of course this particular look that I'm wearing, and I've just recorded a style video. We will be posting it after the live. This is a combination that I have absolutely loved, I think probably, since I was a child. A cream and a red, and you often saw it in the most gorgeous, Banarasi sarees. I've seen it, my mother wear them. And there was nothing that, could match the beauty and elegance of this combination. Hiranya for me is going back to, introspect on what is it really that I want to do with me. When I started out, I had the pieces because of a project in my hand, and I really hoped and dreamed, in fact, that someday I could make such a collection for all of you to see. So Hiranya is, in fact, I think something, that it's that moment that you wait for it to come in your journey of whatever you're doing. For us, of course, it's Neev ki journey. And it's just that excellent pause that you feel that, wow, you've done it, that you've launched this. Of course, your love and support is the only thing which has made it absolutely possible for us to do any of this. So my big thanks to you for today and for always, and all of these 7 years that me and my team have been relentlessly working every day of every week of every month. We've worked to get here. So yes, and of course, all our karigars who have worked with are all our master weavers. And yes, it's been an absolutely incredible journey. We're so excited to be here, and we really look forward to do many such collections in the future. Now, you must have seen the first live from this morning of Hiranya. That was the first launch. If not, do catch it up, but in just a bit. Abhi, this is the launch of this one particular piece that we are wearing. As I said, this classic cream and gold. And what we also have from you is green and cream and blue and cream and pink and cream. So all of that is coming. But I want to start out with two of the masterpieces in our dupatta collection. Now I'm going to talk about each of these look, and especially this dupatta that I'm wearing. जो fabric है बेहद सुंदर है. I'm going to just show you the fabric in close because I have to remove this dupatta, so I want to show you this look before. This is the fabric that I'm wearing, and look at the detailing. This is all made in Karwa, and I think it's an absolute piece of collection that you're going to be wearing many times over. Look at that. Look at the beauty, how the meena and the zari has been woven in Karwa. The finest silk. That is the, that's the base of it in Katan silk, and it's cream. We are going to be having many other color combinations with it, which we're also going to be showcasing to you in just a while. Now let's talk about this dupatta that I'm wearing. This dupatta is made in Karwa, completely made in Karwa. Now you have, of course, जो मेरा next piece है वो भी Karwa का ही है. It's in Katan silk. But when you see a piece like this, it's probably, so difficult to make. One of the, a thread which is thin, which is georgette in comparison to a silk, but a jal as beautiful as this, so time taking. Look at the detailing, the Karwa, the jal, the sona, the rupa, all in this georgette piece. I think we had once made it, we had tried it, and now you're going to be seeing this piece as a part of our collections, going forward. आज अगर आप मुझे पूछे तो मेरे हाथ में सिर्फ ये एक पीस है, which is of course going to be shipped out immediately. And if you like, then yes, you can adapt this particular piece and look in any of the colors that you would like to go for. Now let's go forward and let's show you the statement pieces that we've been making for you as a part of the dupattas. Now I'm going to carry it like it's a precious treasure because it is. This is the color 1. Now this one is a revival of a heritage weave that was used earlier, many years ago. And of course in versions we make them, and then we make them to adapt in them in dupattas. It's a classic, it's a Sona Rupa, there's no touch of Meena. We just wanted to focus on the incredible weave of this particular piece. Abhi aapne iska creamish of whitish version dekha, and now I'm going to show you black. So yes, the black and white, the stark realities of how, probably life is, but it's never black or white, right? But colors mein ye dono king hai, and this is what I'm going to show you. Now this is the black, this is the cream. The prices of these pieces are going to be on request only. And here it is, you can see this one statement piece right there. Just look at the beauty, look at the detailing of it. Karwa mein to banai hai, there's no doubt on that. But it's made by a master weavers. Only the finest can make this. And unke ek handful hai who can weave this particular piece. So you are seeing it in this gorgeous shade of black. Look at that, look at the statement of this, the entire impact it makes. And then now I'm going to make and open the next one, and there it is, here it is. Look at that. Yes, it's like a breath that you take. That's the piece that you're seeing, and here it is, the Sona, the Rupa, the detailing, and this classic color that one can always wear. Of course ये ऐसा दुपट्टा है जिसमें हम आपको gold and cream, and we can always do the combination, but it is also a dupatta which will deserve a custom made look for it. We can customize many of our fabrics suited only to this dupatta. So yes, go for it. This is 2 statement pieces that we've just kind of gone for, and now I'm going to go on and show you the colors that are there. Now you see, this is my kurta, in fact, and the lining that I've used. Okay, this is the lining that I've used is a Katan silk lining that I have used on the back, on the front. So there is a cotton lining because I don't want the color to kind of reflect from below, but I do want, when you walk, you want to make that statement. So this entire lining is of Katan silk inside my kurta. So that's the whole look. And I also want to show you this piping, just this touch of piping on your bottom. The bottom is a plain Katan silk. This is the kurta. There is this whole piping which has been done with the base kurta. And this is the impact. I think it looks absolutely stunning, perfectly matching my dupatta. Now I'm going to show you the colors in this. Remember guys, this is the part 2 of Hiranya. We've just done the part 1. You can always come back to it. But let's start with this color that there is. So I'm now showing you the different color options. I'm wearing the deep red maroon. The next one is this. Or iske saath, of course you saw flawless pairing with the first look that I did. And iski, let's show you the pairing that we have. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Now look at that. What is it that I have in my hand? I have the new collection of the Sachi Zari pieces in Bandhni with me. And there you go. So this is, this is the collection of Sachi Zari Bandhni. You can see this entirely made in Karwa. The statement dupatta, the finest Bandhni work with it. And not only that, you will also see the perfect pairing to give you that instant perfect look that we have in mind. So the looks that I've created are my complete visions of how I would like you to wear it. And if a dupatta like this is what you're wearing, then what is it that it deserves to have a base? But having said that, आप ज़रूर इनको अलग-अलग खरीद सकते हैं. That's always possible. You can pair this kurta with our 32,800 dupatta. You can do it with the 18,800. It's all possible. But what's also possible are these gorgeous combinations for you to just take them as they are, because they are absolutely mind-blowing. So look at that. This is, and हर fabric के साथ जो combination है वो हमने अलग बनाए हैं. That is what I'm going to be showing you. the next one that you're going to be seeing. Now ये एक fabric है, this is the same. Now ये एक fabric है जिसमें मेरे पास दो combinations है आपके लिए, which I'm going to show. And now you can see the deep green color. I think it looks absolutely stunning. You know, iski jo finish hai, that is, you know, I'm going to come a little closer if you don't mind and show you that. Look at that. Look at how it kind of moves. It's absolutely amazing. The fabric price 8,800 per meter. And iske saath we are going to show you two dupattas with it. Now you may have seen this jacquard dupatta sometime back. Now we have it in green in a perfect matching for it. Georgette and Katan are, you know, two fabrics that go really well together. And you know, you've seen the look that I am wearing. The signature is also a red. This look at that. This is also the green and the cream, and but this is also Georgette. This is what I meant. But I will also show you, of course, मुझे अगर red दुपट्टा पहनना, I have many red dupattas. You know, we have a vast collection of statement dupattas that you can always go in silk. But we want to create a statement. Oh, and look at this beauty right here, guys. Look at this beauty. And let me just complete it for you. There you go. That's your full look of perfection. A Kadwa Meenakari Shikarga dupatta with this fabric. And it's stunning. Okay, the next one again has two dupatta option. I'm going to keep this aside and I'm going to show you now. This one, this beautiful pink. And पिंक ही नहीं है, इतना सुंदर पिंक है ये. अगर आप इसका कलर देखेंगे, it's something else altogether. I'll show it to you with the combination so that you can actually see it very closely. There you go. This is, and this also has shikarda. Now you'll see how we have kind of built these. You know, there is beautiful pieces, stunning. You have seen bright colors out, you know, in today's live in the morning, and we have these very perfect combinations for you now. And of course, एक streak of vibrancy just आने ही वाली है, जिसके लिए आपको रुकना पड़ेगा कुछ और minute, which is going to be a blast of colors. But right now, it's about subtle elegance and perfect looks in this. So that's the first one that you're going for. And then I'm going to show you the second dupatta that I have. I have one last color of this particular fabric that I'm going to be showcasing to you. Now look at that. That's your dupatta. And my, what statements they make. And you need a beautiful fabric to match it in terms of its color, in zari. And that's the look that you're making with it. Moving on to the very last piece. Guys, take a screenshot. How are you going to be placing the order? You're going to be taking a screenshot. You will come on WhatsApp. My team is all there to send you all the details. Feel free to ask them for prices, for details, for length, for width, for one video. We are very happy to do it. Okay, remember, many of you requesting ki aap video calls kare. We said, you know, we do these lives. We won't do video calls. As a policy, we don't do video calls. But that's the whole idea, to be doing these absolutely detailed lives for you to know that whatever is there or behind these pieces. Now the last combination in it is this one, and can I show it to you like this? One stunning purple piece along with the perfect fabric. And oh my god, look at that contrast of that purple and cream and that gold zari. There cannot, and I'm really saying that there cannot be a more perfect combination than this one. So there you go. That's the last color of this. This fabric is 8,800 per meter. जो भी इनका दुपट्टे हैं, they're all different. So you need to ask them कि क्या है उनके prices, and we will kind of let you know. And okay, this is a much awaited piece which I have next up. So I will get straight into it. It's and I'm going to show it to you like this. You know, this is, so the one entire master collection of suit that we launched, one in the morning was in cotton. The next one that we are doing, and as you can see here, this is what all of you have been waiting for, and there it is, the launch of our rung cut suit sets. It's an incredibly जो beautiful है वो तो है ही, very very technical for us to kind of be able to make this particular piece for you. And there it is, this one mind-blowing dupatta in rung cut. Now we've cracked a very different concept in it, and which is what I'm going to talk about. Dupatta, you can see there, it has this combination of colors, of classic colors, red and this two-tone orange, you know, the very much like the kesari but in more orange tone, and the red, the pink and the shade of yellow, all of these colors so integrated, so closely part of our Indian culture. And for me, these have truly been something I want to create, but make you wear them very differently. So there you go. Now I'm going to elaborate on the concept that you're seeing. This is the first combination. I'm going to show you 3 combination. Look at that. Look at this perfect look. And yes, you can buy this set separately as well. You can get the kurta and the bottom, and you can get it. But of course, the deal when you get the dupatta is, you know, so there is only 2 ways you can buy it. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. You can buy the 3-piece, or you can buy just the dupatta, and you can buy the kurta and the bottom. So आप सिर्फ कुर्ता नहीं ले सकते, कुर्ता एंड बॉटम ले सकते हैं, या सिर्फ दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं, or you can go for the full 3-piece suit set. So that's the way that you will be able to wear it, and it's amazing. It's got this border, the bottom, it has everything. You will see a combination of 2 motifs that we have created. Now I'm going to show you the other way of wearing the same dupatta, and that is with the red suit. So you can also do one thing. Now I have the same beautiful dupatta again, but now this time the combination is, this is the bottom, guys, I'm holding. This combination now is with red. So yes, that's very special. I have envisioned that, you know, you may like to wear it with red, you may like to wear it with pink, you may like to wear it with the beautiful 2-tone color, and you can do it. So this is only possible that we can provide you all of this and so much more. It is a premium Rangkat dupatta. Do ask the team to give you the prices as a set separately for the kurta and the bottom, and only the dupatta. I leave it up to you how you would like to kind of go for it. Of course, needless to say that the perfection is in the complete look. You know, to carry a grand piece as this, you will need the perfect base. That's your bottom, that's your kurta, that's your dupatta. Now the same dupatta coming to you in the next way on how you're going to wear it. Let's go for it, guys. This is it. So you have the red kurta bottom option, you have the orange kurta 2-tone option, and lastly you also have the pink option. Look at that. So yes, because I understand the grandness of this piece, and I would want you to have some options for you to be able to wear it, you know. So be it a pink, be it a red, get your perfect look. This is the masterpiece of Hiranya. But of course, एक से ज़्यादा masterpiece है आज सुबह का cotton suit, this one, and of course the last collection जो इसमें बीच में आए, end में आएगा, which will be the Moonga Sachi Zari suit. And in between all of these, you're seeing the most stunning capsule collections of dupattas, of suits, of fabrics, all of that. So there you go. That's the pink look that you can go for. And there you go. Here it is. This is what I'm showing you. Of course, you know, if you buy together, I'm saying it again, it will give you the base you will need to wear this beautiful dupatta, because this is a masterpiece. But if you'd like to go for it, आप अकेले भी जा सकते हैं. The price as a combination will always be more far cost effective than just the kurta bottom and then just this. Anyways, let's go on, and now from here I'm going to take you to the Sachi Zari dupatta, which I have still more in Bandhni. And this is the next one. This is in red. This is the color that one can never ever have enough of. And of course, this perfect combination for right now for what I'm wearing. मैंने इसकी जो original pairing की है वो की है with the you know, the Georgette Karwa Jal dupatta, our newest launch. But honestly, you can wear it with any red grand dupatta and it will look perfect. Now look at this beauty, the detailing, it's all here together. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Look at that, the bundis, you know, the perfect bandhnis in this wonderful color contrast with the red. The next one that you have, and yes, this is, each one I say to you is going to be a statement, each one. This is your next piece that I have, and it is bringing the Kesari color to mainstream, this is what we want to do. We want to bring this color, you hear so many colors, right? You talk about an aubergine color, not a very Indian word or Indian way of saying that color, but you use it. Why not bring this beautiful case? We are in a lingo to really, क्योंकि ये जो color होता है आप इसको ना orange बोल सकते हैं, किसी भी तरीके से आप describe करें, कोई तरीका नहीं है. Is a perfect word is what we say as Kesari. Here it is. This is from a Sachi Zari. Very beautiful length and flow. Do check the length, the width, whatever you need to know before you place the order. And of course, all of these are first come first basis. All of these are a limited collection. The prices of many of these are on request. Many of these I am telling you. And the next one, here you go. This is the black bani in real zari. And let's show it to you here. Now, there you go. So that's the next bani that you have. And this you can see the yellow, the white, the zari. Now it looks like a kadwa zari because it looks like a silver zari, because when you make a gold zari piece and then you dye it black, it gives it that effect. Now you can see, so it's that vintage antique gold along with silver, and there you have your perfect beautiful piece in black. For prices, come on WhatsApp, take a screenshot, whatever it is, please feel free to come and ask us. Now, one dupatta, very quick, very easy that we have, and they're so crisp, we've not even removed the paper. These are the gold tissue dupattas, that you all have loved. See, I didn't remove that. I wanted to keep it really crisp. Now, this is the gold tissue dupatta, and there is something for everyone in this Hiranya. Now, this is the gold tissue dupatta. And इसका एक और motive है मेरे पास. Now we can open and show. This is one more motive of the dupatta that I have. We launched a beautiful tissue dupatta, tissue fabric this morning. 4 colors available, and you can see this. This is something that you have to have because it's going to be working with every piece in your wardrobe. Yes, it's dyeable, but then we'll make the tassels again and all of that. So वो है. But yes, they are dyeable. So there are these 3 unique designs in it. Pick up your perfect ones, and I think these are all 18,800, and they are just perfect. So there you go. And in between this, what I want to do is bring out the 2-tone shades of the fabric that we've been making. It just started this year. In fact, the last 2 months we've been showing you a vast collection of our 2-tone fabrics. अभी मैं आपको quickly कुछ नए colors दिखाना चाहती हूँ that have come, and you can take a screenshot and just come on WhatsApp. Each than is what it is, and there are no more. And then I will head on to give you some combinations with these as well. Now मैं हर को अलग दिखाती हूँ because I think that's the best way. Look at that. I always move it around because only then can you see the gorgeous shade of it. These are all 4,800, 12,000 for 2.5 meters. That's true. But if I were to tell you very honestly, you should go for 5 meters because इससे कोई भी plain bottom dye करा के match करना very difficult. If you're wearing like a gold bottom and all, then it's fine. But if you want same color and then you want it will not match. Okay, so we never say that it'll match. So therefore, this very beautiful piece has to be worn 5 meters top and down. If you want more, then sure, it can be done more. And look at that. Isn't that just glorious? So many dupattas from today that will work so well with it. And now look at that here. This incredible color. Also a blue and purple. Now we move on to the combinations that we have made. The last one I'm showing you is this hot shade of pink. Make sure you have that you have a screenshot when you come to us. अभी मैं इसका पूरा mood change कर देती हूँ, and then I am coming to this. This is one hot color that one can imagine, and I have the most beautiful 2 dupattas with it. I want to show the pattern also. Okay, so there you go. Here it is. This one. Now, of course, हम एक pink on pink तो combination कर ही सकते हैं इस दुपट्टे के साथ, but what I do want to do is I want to make this dupatta the statement, and there you go. It's got it all. It's Karwa, it's Meena, it's these beautiful figures that are there. So yes, this is from our figure range. But what an incredible color. Look at the make. And not only one, I have two colors of this piece that I'm going to be showing. So there you go. That's the whole look for you. Now let's go on to the next color of this dupatta that I have for you. So I'm going to keep this here because I think it's so hot, this particular green, and iske saath this masterpiece in Katan silk. There you go. So you can see this hot green dupatta, and there you go. I'm going to show it to you like this, and it's very, very pretty. Wear it together, wear it separately. I think it's absolutely amazing. Next up, what we have for you is this one statement piece that I have, and the dupatta is not there. It's there. Okay. So yes, we're all there here taking your orders. The team is there sending you pictures. हम सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, all for you to show you this. Now the next one is innovation on many levels, and I'm going to show you what it is all about. One masterpiece. Here it is. There you go. One perfect white petni dupatta. आप जब देखते हैं तो शायद आपको that is what you're going to be saying. अरे this is a white petni dupatta. Now I'm going to tell you, and that is actually behind each one of these pieces, जो इनकी speciality है, इनका breakdown है, how we've made this. Now what you're seeing here are the savli flowers. The savli flowers are a concept, Yevla में जब बनता है, and there is a long history of the figures that have been used, right from, Shivaji, and why parrot is used and the peacock is used. But of course, we have understood that, we also want to do pieces without any motives. A savli flower, very rich culturally, there's a lot of focus on this flower in the region. We have put that on the border. But what is incredible is this weave that you see here. This isn't one of our classic motifs. This is typically made in jacquard. A jacquard design, very difficult to cooperate on a petni dupatta, even more so when it's on a white base. But we've been able to do it, and I think it's absolutely amazing. This is one piece only, and yes, I think you can see that there is one piece only, this very beautiful white dupatta. Yeah, it's taken us a lot of time to kind of make this. So itne din mein hamare paas ek piece aaya, ye mere haath mein hai, and this is what I'm showing you. Now with this, what I also want to show you is this, and this is a perfect satin hot pink, which will look really good with it. So yes, it's a great combination for you to go for. The next one is a very different combination from all of this that I have. Now look at that. That's the fabric that I have. But har ke saath, what we want to do is we want to give you so many different options, whether it's a bandhni, whether it's a georgette, which is made in a different way. There's so much actually story behind each one of these. But of course, time limited hota hai. We have this, live, and there's so much to talk that kai baar utni detail har ke nahi bata pate hain. But look at this combination. Such a different color. This shade of yellow keh do, aap green keh do, gold keh do, and this combination. It is perfection. Now that is what I'm doing. I'm giving you lots of different kinds of looks that are all going so beautiful with this. Treat this as a base. You can do 5 meter straight cut kurta bottom. You can do an elaborate anarkali. We have fabrics. You can take the full thans. You can do a lehenga. All of that is possible with this piece. This is almost, we are, kind of showing you all the last combinations that we have. We will be ending our live with the Sachi Zari piece. Now next up, aap ye dekho, Banarsi Karwa Jangla, and it's a beautiful one. I love the fact that you can match these contrasts. You can get them to accentuate. Kuch aap is pe neck pe detailing kara sakte. You can of course do heavy detailing. It is so perfect. Look at that combination. It is just perfection. Next up, now this is a very different look, and I'm so happy to be doing this. Look at that. Here it is. This is bandhni in this deep blue and with fabric from our Katan looms, and there you go. Look at that combination. Perfection. Not only do we make the greatest dupattas, we also make the greatest fabrics, the variety, the compositions. the uniqueness, you know, having worked over it for so many years, we have done many unique composition looks that can be done. इसी piece का एक और color. Now that one was the same on same. Next one I'm going to show you in a contrast, and there you go. Here it is. Now there you go. This is the piece that you have next with a very, you know, look at the touch. Look at the green. Isn't that just incredible? And with this combination, it's so vibrant. You can see the whole look right there. I think is absolutely stunning. Looks wonderful. But एक नहीं, मेरे पास आपके लिए दो दुपट्टे हैं with this. And yes, take your pick of the perfect look that you want. Be it Banarsi, be it Bani, be it Petty, we have it all for you. Next up, look at that. This is a Banarsi dupatta. The you know, the perfect, the base two-tone color जो इसका है, this is matching perfectly to it. And इसके बाद I'm going to give you a same on same, which is almost impossible to make, given the fact that these dupattas and this fabrics are made on different looms. But we do want to give you perfection. Here it is. Now this one, Jangla Jal Karwa dupatta. This is a starting range, you know, a basic, very clean, nice work. And this fabric, this dupatta, I think 32,800. This fabric 4,800 per meter. It is so perfect together. More and more. Now this one is the next. Now though next मैं आपको पैटर्न दिखाने वाली हूँ, which is, you know, this. First things first. This one, this incredible color with this fabric that you are going for. That's your look one. Here it is. Now the next one is this look that I have for you. Let's show it to you. A grand Meena dupatta in Jal, and let's show it to you. Here it is. So that's your dupatta. Yes, I'm stretching it all out to be able to show you the beautiful piece that it is. There you go. This is your dupatta. This is your fabric. I think it's absolutely marvelous the way the color matches of these Meenas, of this, the contrast that it creates. Very perfect, very beautiful. I will wait to hear from you. You know, what is that you feel about these pieces, you know. The next one here, this is now a two-tone Banarsi Jal. And guys, we are last up, 2-3 more combinations to go. And I have two handwork, beautiful dupattas. So beach maybe next we will show the green. And then we'll come to the black. That is what I have for you. Here you go. So, ऐसा नहीं है that, you know, we are of course doing many premium pieces, but we also have the starting range of our Banarsis. Those are also there for you. Now, next up, I'm going to bring you one statement piece in Bandhani. And yes, you know, I always wish, you know, sometimes I can bring it on a tray. It's as grand, as beautiful as that. But there you go. This one is our Bandhani dupatta. It's a very fine Bandhani work in white and yellow, along with this entire accentuation which has been done, and very premium handcrafted work on it. Look at the finishing. It's all finished. Everything is ready to go. I am going to show it to you very closely as well. You can see the incredible detail, the touch of red, I think, which makes all the difference. This one very beautiful piece ready to go out today. And it's a statement. When you're wearing this, it's basically a statement that you're making. You can pair it up with red, you can pair it up with gold, you can pair it up with green. And yeah, border pe bhi there is this whole highlighting which has been done. But if you ask me, the entire beautiful look is of this, you know, the way it sits, the detailed work on the border and the anchal. Look at that. That's your full look. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा, and this will be perfect on lehengas. It's got a very good length. It's got a very good flow. Look at how it's going to be tucked in. That's the way you are going to be wearing it, and it's just beautiful. And here it is. That's the dupatta. That's the border that you have. It's ready to, again, as I said, go out today. And that's the beauty of our pieces. Aapke haath mein, of course, some of these will have a waiting time because we have certain orders. They are getting processed. So the suit that I wore this morning, we are going to be making them. They're all in making, and you know, you'll keep getting them as you have placed your order. I think we had a couple of them, probably they are sold out. And the next piece will come in 10 days. If your name is on the order, it will come to you. So that's the process that we are going to be following. देखने के लिए of course हमारे पास pieces रहेंगे. Post this, एक statement green piece and you cannot not have a black. So I have incorporated red in both the dupattas, if you will see, because that is what kind of completes is that contrast. And of course you'll see just that contrast of red here, just that contrast of red here in the green dupatta, all of it. Now this is a very beautiful black dupatta that you're going to be having. Wear it with a plain katan silk, it's going to stand out. Wear it with, look at that whole look right there. And I think it's going to look absolutely stunning with a deep red plain or plain black. So we're going to also do a plain black with it. No, not plain black. We're going to do this first, hold this design look with it. Now I'm going to show you how we can dye plain katan for you. That is also possible. That's the plain katan look for you. Okay, so of course हमेशा थोड़ा ये black अलग है. So now instead I would always say you go for this beautiful red combination or plain katan suit with it. They're going to look amazing even in this deep red. So imagine yourself wearing a deep red and this one contrasting very detailed work dupatta. Mind blowing. Let's do the orange. I want to do the orange. Orange हमने कम दिखाया. I think we have done a lot of course kesari that we will, but एक orange बनता है. And this is, if you have seen this is our motive that we have launched this summers. And yes, of course it was done in Florence. We've done the cottons and now is the silk and this hot combination that you can go for. There you go. This is this most beautiful silk katan in this gorgeous motive, all made in Karwa with this ravishing orange dupatta. I think it's perfection. If you see the whole look, there you go. It's perfect. One look. इसके बाद एक और red में, and yeah, let's do this. This is one look, and we had made a dupatta. It was over, and then we got one more because sometimes you just want to stand out. Then this is the piece for you. Look at the greens. Look at the matching. And truly, to bring out the boldness that you see, because Pedni dupattas are made with a thicker thread, which is why you see the designs are so impactful. The guffness in the silk. That is why they are so big and bold and beautiful. And to match that, but if you were to wear this silk, it wouldn't work. So what we've done is that we have composed this katan silk in Banaras, this made in Yevla for us, to give you the perfect look together. So there you go. Here it is. The last couple of combinations coming up. I think the last one is at the last, and there is one more. And then we will head to the very last segment, which is going to be our Sachi Zari Munga silk suits. Which, yes, there is a lot of story on that. We'll come back to that. But there you go. Incredible Banarsis. Here it is. This has just that touch of Meena. It has it all. Look at that gold. I think it's very, very pretty. This is the piece for you. Here it is. And yes, so that's something. Now if you're wearing this fabric, I think of course you can go for a plain bottom, but if you do it the same on same, I think it will look really nice with this Georgette dupatta that's so flowy, that's so incredible in its work detail, and you wear it, it will look flawless. So I'm going to show you the look again. This is our 26,800 dupatta that you can wear in this combination. Look at that. There you go. Okay, next up, and this is our last combination, and before we head to the last 6, I think, pieces or 5 pieces that we have in our hand of our Sachi Zari collection. So, but of course, take statement too we have to make, so we will do that with this. This is your dupatta. Let's show it to you here. That's the dupatta. That's the fabric. Yes. The boldness of this dupatta, the beautiful red pink color as the base. It's everything that one would want to wear in a Pedni dupatta. And yes, it has a figure. This one is with figure. So ask us if you're particular. And figure mein there's no elephant. There's just a bird. So yes, somebody was also saying that what kind of figures. We will let you know whatever you want to know about each one of these pieces. One masterpiece for you before we head on to the last segment. Can I have my dupatta back, or can I have red dupatta, if that's possible? I can even, yeah, I would like to wear my, that whole Georgette look, but anyways, let's get started while we sort this. I'm going to talk a bit about Sachi Zari pieces. If you have seen our reel, the Hiranya reel, it focuses about making of a zari, the purity of zari, how it's wound, how it's tested. You will see that stone. In fact, we keep that stone in our studio as well. There is a way of testing it. You can burn it, you can rub it. The purity of zari. Okay, so that whole concept of Hiranya, in fact, talks about the gold zari. It can be the best zaris that we use in all our pieces, but not real zari, but very, very good. And then, of course, the Sachi Zari pieces. And Hiranya ka jo pura concept, because this is the last that I have to show, so I can spend a few minutes talking about it. The inspiration, the entire inspiration of this collection has been a piece that I inherited. It's an heirloom that I inherited from my grandmother, from my nani, in fact. It's a beautiful blue lehenga that someday I imagine that I will be able to recreate it for you. But meanwhile, what I really did want to do was that I wanted to bring that whole culture of wearing Sachi Zari again. You will hear you saying, "Arey mere nani ke paas tha, mere dadi ke paas hai. I have inherited it." और मैंने देखा है, सुना है, और वो तार को जला के देखा जाता था कि purity कैसी है. All of that we hear. But in today's time, where is it that we want to create that heirloom for ourselves, for our kids, for our future? Where is it that you get it? You get it here. And then I got thinking that हमेशा ही कतान में मैंने बनाया. My master, my Hiranya is in a katan silk lehenga in real zari. But what I'm saying is that it has always been since centuries made in one medium, which was katan silk. And that got me thinking that, I want to make it wearable. I want to make it classic. I want to make it an absolute heirloom, something that your kids today or you yourself would really find it relevant to your life. So there comes the entire innovation. We did a lot of research on the fabrics that can take the thinness of the thread, that can be made in karwa, that will give you that effect. Because वो zari उठनी चाहिए. If you have a piece और zari नहीं उठती तो कोई फायदा नहीं. So that whole research started, and I'm talking about 2017, and finally, with much try, error, and a lot of feedback, we created that 2 masterpieces of a dupatta. In fact, I remember, one of the pieces has, one of my dearest clients has it, and she took it, and, it just gave me that belief that someday I would be able to make a collection which you would all love. So what you're seeing now is the part of the story. Let's start with the red. And the first time ever, I think, you will ever see, a Moonga silk being used as a medium for making Sachi Zari pieces. Now I'm going to show you, now I'm going to keep my dupatta part because, I just want to focus on the beauty of this piece. Now send me the dupatta as well, please. So that's the kurta. This is the dupatta. You may have seen sometimes a picture peeking out of this particular piece, and this is a Moonga silk. The zari that you see all over the zari that you're seeing is, of course, this is real Sachi Zari. When we say real Sachi Zari, it means real silver threads which has been electroplated with gold, which is why you get the gold effect. Now, when I made it in 2017, I made them only as dupattas. But it really got me thinking that, if you were to wear this, and I still have one piece, one I sold, of course, one I still have, one I gifted to, Xenia. He's, of course, the owner of the brand Xenia worldwide. And he kind of picked up that one piece, gave me my lucky $100 for that, the piece that he picked up. And that's, of course, a story for another day. But this is the perfect pairing, because when you're wearing something like this, it needed that complete look with it. And look at it, what we've done. That's the kurta. You will see there are double borders in it, all in real zari. This is all real zari that you're seeing. There is double border in it, which has been there. Now this one is a part of the bottom. This is for the kurta, the back, the front, the dupatta. And I will show you also the very detailed weave that you will get with it. Look at that. the entire weave right there, our signature mark on it. In fact, many of our pieces this time will see it. There you go. This is the piece. This is your complete look. इसका bottom भी इसी loom पे बना है, and it's your one perfect Hiranya look. So I really hope that this is going to be the Hiranya in your wardrobe. Give me the entire piece together, the bottom, the kurta. I'm going to show you the colors one by one, and I haven't opened it. I'm going to open it right there in front of you. This very, very beautiful. It has gone through so much research for us to be able to achieve it. So much development, so much designing to get this perfect composition, and you can see the flow. So now, for the very first time anywhere in the world, you can get a precious metal real zari piece in a composition of a Munga. Only and only with Neev. So yes, it has been always been a dream for us to create it. और ये देखिए मैं आपके सामने I'm opening it. This is the kurta. You can hear the crispness of it. This has been made with along with my master weaver, who I'm very happy to say, who also worked with me 7 years back on the original dupatta. It's the same relations that we have taken. I've inherited those relations, and we have developed and maintained, and we have grown together. So that's also a great source of joy for me, that this design was then conceptualized, and together we made it. And of course, then whoever worked with me did not know ki kya hai future, but so much work we did to create it. Now this is the second color that you're seeing. Iska bottom bhi isi ke saath joined hai. This is the second color that you can see right here. You have seen the statement red. You have seen the beautiful yellow. The next up, here it is. This is the pale and this gorgeous, gorgeous shade of pink. Have a look at it here. This is the pink. In fact, we had a client this morning who was here in the studio. So this, and then I requested her that can I keep it, because this piece is in fact sold. But I requested her that could you just let us show this one in the live, because we can of course recreate it. It will take 2 months minimum, but it can be done. Many of these colors. Now for the price of this one, you have to come. There are many prizes for this live, which will all be on requests. They may ask you even for your name and details. Don't mind that. That's just an exercise that we are doing. That's your piece that it is. Yes, this particular one in my hand is already sold, as so many others that you're seeing, which is your cue to find your perfect look. But it can be made. It can be made on your order. This is the perfect pink. In fact, my grandmother used to the Motia pink. That's a particular, very Indian name to it. Again, which cannot be the essence cannot be conveyed in any other English word. But there you go. And then this is what one has to have in your journey, and that's a black. So one statement black piece for you in Sachi Zari, in Munga, the bottom woven, the kurta with the front border, back border, one border for you to use on your bottom as well. So I mean, it's luxury at another level. You have zari, but you have so much of it to wear it on your dupatta, on your kurta, and motifs in karwa, the border, even on your bottom, because that is what it deserves, right? When you have a piece as amazing as this, it requires it all. This is the last color and the last piece of this launch of Hiranya that has happened today. And yes, it's been, look at that. This is a shade of cream, it's a shade of pink, and it looks beautiful with the gold zari. इसका मैं आपको कुर्ता, this is the bottom. The bottoms, किसी में bottom में लगी हुई है zari, किसी में हमने कुर्ते में extra एक दी है, which is for the bottom. So you can always check, it's there. Either it will be a part of the kurta, or either it will be a part of the, dupatta, this kurta, or the bottom. And there you go. I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to show you this last color. And there you go. It's absolutely beautiful. All of these pieces, whichever you choose to, pick, are something that you will wear, somebody, in your family, it can be your kids, it can be your wife, it can be your daughter-in-law, somebody else will also wear. These are heirlooms to be preserved and to have and to share and to, just, really kind of, it's a treasure, basically. So there you go. And that's the last piece, last live of the launch of Hiranya. It's been so amazing to be able to do this. And as I said, it's been some intense work the last few months to be able to bring this, because of course when we're doing this, we're also doing all that, we do along with our other launches. And of course, Chandigarh, we are going to be coming to you. Now that this is done, what I want to talk about is two things. One, please come to our studio if you want to come today, tomorrow and day after, 3 days. Iske baad, all our stuff and pieces are going to go to Chandigarh. So even for somebody who's online, you want to get it, now is the time to get it. Of course, you can buy it later if it's available online. But for our studio visit, this is the time to buy Hiranya in person today, tomorrow and day after. Now, extra, the other thing that I want to talk about is tomorrow's music live at 9 a.m. Ms. Gauri Pathare, she is going to be coming, reciting Kabir ke Dohe. It's only going to be a musical session. We just want you to feel the bliss. Kabir is very integral to this entire collection of Hiranya. I've written it down. You can also read more about it. And I really wanted us to immerse along with you in her beautiful music. So 9 बजे हमने रखा है सुबह, इसीलिए क्योंकि so that all our international clients can also join in. Only music, only bliss. That's what's the tomorrow morning from 9 to 9:45 or 10. Facebook and Instagram पे ही streaming होगी, आप join कर सकते हैं and you can just enjoy it. Even if you have to wear your headphones, you can just enjoy the music. So thank you so much. Thank you so much and lots of love for us. I just want to thank you for us to be able to do this and present it. It's been incredible. Hiranya Part 1, Hiranya Part 2, all launched today. Go shop, guys. The collection is available for you to shop on WhatsApp only. See you. My big thanks, regards, and I hope to see you, many of you, tomorrow in the live and also for our studio visit, which is there today. You can come to today, tomorrow, day after, whenever you want. See you guys.